Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. When the device turns off, hold your volume up, down and power button at the same time. So all three buttons. When you see the Lenovo logo, let go of just the power button. And this will boot us into recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use the volume buttons. So these ones, just to kind of showcase this, to navigate up or down. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have right here, we have Reboot System now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which I believe will boot us into fast boot mode. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data or Cache Partition, Mount System, Vlogs, Run Test, and Power Off the device. So there we go, those are all the options. Now I'm just going to confirm the first one, which is Reboot System now, which takes me back to Android and is a way to leave this mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.